Abstract logo have been a popular logo design for startups. In recent time, organizations and businesses have begun to adopt them. The logo are done perfectly, simple and easy to remember. The good part about this abstract logo is the fact that you don't have to use only the real world image or object. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design an abstract logo with your PixelLab using your smartphone. Without wasting much of your time, you head up to your PixelLab, you open your PixelLab, always delete that new text here, like as we always do, and you head up to your shape, you insert a cycle shape. So you adjust the size, you adjust your cycle shape. After that, make sure you go to relative position. Next thing you do, you go to relative position, you centralize your cycle shape, and you go to color, you enable color, you change the cycle shape color to a dark black, that is a black color. Okay, the next thing now, you see how it is on the screen. So the next thing we are going to do again, we still go to shape, you insert another cycle shape, you adjust the shape, you make sure whenever you are adjusting the shape, you consider the width and the height. You adjust the width and the height of the shape, like you squeeze it, you make a copy of that same shape again. You adjust the height and the width of the shape, adjust your sizes also. After adjusting the height and the width, you adjust the sizes also. You duplicate it again. You adjust it. You adjust it the way you see you watching on the screen. So this is our abstract logo designing using your PixelLab. You can design this thing, any abstract logo, with your PixelLab if you're very creative enough. You follow the screen, you follow the way you're doing the screen adjustment. The next thing we are going to do, head up to layers, then we'll merge all the layers together. When I mean all the layers, you merge them together, you tick and you make them together. The next thing you go to do, you go to erase color, you enable erase color, automatically the white color will move. Okay, that. So next thing you go to layer, you make a copy of that, then you see you hide one of the copy, then you merge the two of them together to become a single object. And again, you go to color, you enable color, you select the shape, then go to gradient, make sure you select gradient, you go to your gradient color, and you adjust your gradient color this way. So you watch carefully the way I adjust the gradient color so that you do the same. After that, you okay it. Don't forget to lock your layer. After you lock your layer, you go to shape again, you insert a new cycle shape. On that new cycle shape, you okay the cycle shape, you adjust the size, you make sure you centralize your cycle shape. So adjust it the way you see me doing it on the screen. The next thing you are going to do, you go to color, you enable color, you go to gradient. Watch carefully the way I will adjust my gradient color. Adjust it that way, and on one side of the gradient color, the dark side, you change the color to a red color. That's a complete red color. So you okay it, then you leave the other side of the gradient color like that. You see how it is on your cycle shape now. You make a little adjustment again, you open up the white color a little bit on the gradient. I think that is okay like that. And the next thing, send it to the back of the first object you've created. And next thing, now you insert a semi-cycle shape. After you insert the semi-cycle shape, you're going to make a duplicate. You lock your layer. Don't always remember to lock your layer. You make a duplicate of that semi-cycle shape. You enable color, then you change the color of the duplicate to a white color, then you place it on your screen the way you're watching. Next thing you're going to do, you go to layer, you merge the both. Before you do that, make sure you adjust it very well like this. You go to layer, you merge the both semi-cycle shape together. Enabling erase color will remove the white color. Now we have gotten this this shape from a semicircle shape we cut through. You do the same step, you make a copy, you hide one of the copy, then you merge the two copy together so that it will become a whole object. Now the next thing you are going to do, you go to color, you enable color, go to gradient, press on the plus button, then you adjust your gradient color this way. And on one side of the gradient color, you're going to adjust your color like this. In case you cannot adjust the color like this, you carefully watch the color code so that you use it to insert your color code. And if you don't know how to insert the color code, I have videos which I have inserted color code before on AssignedGraphics on YouTube, so you can watch the video. Then you make a copy of that shape. After you make a copy of the shape, you flip the shape, then you flip again. Make sure you flip twice, so you position it the way you're watching on your screen. Use your rotate button to adjust it the way you're watching. It's an abstract logo design in PixelLab. Then you send it to the back of the entire layer. You're going to do the same thing to the other semicircle shape there. You send it to the back. You see now we are starting to get our abstract logo. So you see we're starting to get our abstract logo. You're watching, you are making some adjustment, little adjustments, so that you solidify your logo. So after that, the next thing we are going to do, again, we'll merge all the layers together. That is where you'll be able to switch their colors and the rest. So you go to background, color. You see, whenever you change the background color, you can see you can use any background for your logo now. Since they are merged together, you can use absolutely any background. So what we are going to do next now is how you present this logo. So you change your image size to YouTube thumbnail. You put your logo together like that. You can move it around your screen and the rest. So next thing you select it, you go to color filter, you go to hue, either is hue, then you can adjust your hue. You see the color switching. So this is how you design an abstract logo using your PixelLab. So an abstract logo is a popular logo now that organizations and businesses have begin to adopt this abstract logo, because the advantage of this logo is that the logo you don't need to use any real world image or object. Your own is just to design a logo. You think very well, you create a logo that can stand for something. So this is how you design a presentation. As I always say, whenever you're making your design, whenever you come to text, use less font. I always use one particular font, Germani's font. It will be easier for me to adjust this font, so I'm using it on this video. I'll be leaving the link in the video description in case you want to use it. Then all the color code I use in the video, I'll be leaving it in the video description in case you want to use them also. So it's an abstract logo design in PixelLab. If you're interested, you subscribe to the channel, so you watch more of this video will be coming up. A 3D abstract logo design in PixelLab. So this is how you arrange your logo so that you present it. It's just the tips of the iceberg. So don't always remember to subscribe to the channel. You adjust your text the way you see me doing it on your screen. With my previous video, and you know how to make this setting adjustment to your text and logos. If you have watched my video on flyer design, banner design, you know how to make this text arrangement and font and selecting font for your designs and the rest. So that is how it is. Now that you are done with your abstract logo, you see how it is now. So another thing I want you to know is that whenever you're saving your work, you don't just go and click save and save as default. You watch carefully the way I arrange this logo on the screen there, and you can select, you go to layer, you can put all the text together. The abstract logo design from AssignedGraphics. Whenever you go to saving, you go to that quality. Always use ultra quality so that you have a high quality. Your work will be saved in high quality. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.